Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Telegram new polls with quizzes. To use quiz mode on Telegram as of 2026, you can choose between creating a single interactive question directly in a chat or building a structured multi-question test using the official quiz bot. Now, first of all, let's head to the native quiz mode or single question method. Go ahead and open your chat box. Then tap on this paperclip option. From there you will find this poll option. Go ahead and click on it. Then type in your question on your question bar. Now once you have typed in your question, give some options by tapping on this options button, and you can also add another option and type in your answers. Now once you've done so, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this create button and the poll will be created. Now for quiz bot method, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on your global search bar. Then type in quiz bot. Now once you've done so, go ahead and select that quiz bot, then tap on this start bot option. From there you will be able to access this create new quiz option. Go ahead and tap on it. From there the bot itself will guide you through all the procedure. Like it says, let's create a new quiz. First send me a title of your quiz, aptitude test or 10 questions about beers. Beers, 3 questions. Now once I've done so, you can send a description of your code, and once you've set this, or you can just skip it by typing this /skip, and you will be able to find your quiz over there. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.